In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Ecwid with Google Sites. This is an easy and efficient way to merge your online store with your website, and I'll guide you through each step of the process to get you up and running in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to go to the Ecwid website. If you're not already familiar with it, Ecwid is a platform that allows you to create an online store and sell across various platforms. Open your preferred web browser and head over to www.ecwid.com. Once there, log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this is the gateway to all your online store features. Now that you're in the Ecwid dashboard, you'll start by navigating to the website section. Here you'll see an option to add your store to one or more websites. Click on Pick Platform. This selection is crucial as it determines where your store will be visible to your audience. Next, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, look for the Custom Website option and click on Learn More. This section provides details on how you can integrate Ecwid with a customizable platform like Google Sites. Once you've explored this information, it's time to proceed to the important part, obtaining your Ecwid store integration code. To get this code, simply click on the Copy Code to Clipboard button. This code is like the key to your store. It allows you to embed it directly into your Google site, so copy it to your clipboard carefully. With the code ready, the next task is to add Ecwid to Google Sites. Open your Google Sites project by navigating to sites.google.com. Once you're on Google Sites, identify the page where you'd like to embed your Ecwid store. This could be your home page, a dedicated store page, or anywhere you think it fits best within your site's design. On the chosen page, click Embed from the right-hand menu. This option allows you to insert various elements into your page. Switch to the Embed Code tab represented by a symbol, and paste the Ecwid code you copied earlier right there in the designated space. Then simply click Next, followed by Insert to embed your Ecwid store into the page. Here's an optional but useful tip. After inserting the store, you can resize and style it to better fit your website's layout. Just drag the embedded store box to adjust its size until it looks perfect within your site's design. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to publish your site to save all changes and make it live. This step ensures that your embedded store is visible to your visitors. And there you have it, your Ecwid store is now successfully integrated with Google Sites, ready to reach your audience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.